Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wondered how a company, say, in New York, pays a freelancer over in Tokyo, like instantly, without waiting days for a bank transfer to clear? Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the answer. Crypto payroll. We are going inside a real system to see exactly how it all works.
So, we've all heard the headlines about companies paying salaries in crypto, but how do they really do it? Is it just some chaotic mess of sending coins from one random wallet to another? No. It's actually a lot more organized than that. Okay, let's dive right in.
They use a dedicated payroll dashboard, just like the one you're looking at right now. This is the command center for a business paying its team in crypto. And honestly, it's designed to be just as straightforward as any traditional payroll software you might have seen before. So first up, the main dashboard. This is the home base, the first thing a payroll manager sees when they log in to get stuff done.
And right at the very top, we can see this business is managing 2 payroll wallets.
So what exactly is a payroll wallet? Well, the easiest way to think about it is as a secure digital pay envelope. One for each employee. And yeah, we only see 2 right here, but these systems are built to scale for hundreds, even thousands of employees.
The dashboard also gives you this awesome at-a-glance summary of all the funds held across all the wallets. So right here, we can see there's a total of 0.3 Solana, or SOL, about 11.1 Tron, or TRX, and right now, 0 USDT, which is a stablecoin. It just gives the manager a super quick financial snapshot.
And you'll notice this simple little filter function. Now, it might seem like a small detail, but just imagine you're managing a huge remote team scattered all over the globe. Being able to instantly search and find the right employee's wallet, that is absolutely crucial for staying efficient.
Okay, so we've seen the bird's eye view. Now let's zoom in a little. We're going to take a closer look at a single employee's wallet to see exactly what's inside.
Let's focus in on this purple card on the left. This is that digital pay envelope we were talking about, and this one belongs to an employee named Fatima. Every single person on the team who's getting paid in crypto would have a card just like this one on the dashboard.
What's really cool here is just how much information is packed in so cleanly. You've got the employee's name, you have the blockchain they're using, the wallet status, is it active, the current balance, and even a timestamp for the last update. Literally every critical piece of data is right there at your fingertips. Now you might be seeing terms like Solana and Tron and thinking, what are those? Well, they're blockchains. And the simplest way to think about a blockchain, at least in this context, is as the payment network. It's kind of like the digital highway the crypto travels on. The same way your credit card payment travels on the Visa or MasterCard network. And this shows off a really key feature: flexibility. See, an employee isn't just locked into one type of crypto. Fatima here actually has 2 wallets, one on the Solana blockchain for her SOL, and another one on the Tron blockchain for TRX. This is such a powerful option for anyone who wants to split their salary across different digital assets.
Okay, so we've seen all the information just sitting there on the dashboard. Now let's talk about taking action. What can a manager actually do from this screen?
If you look over to the far right of each of those wallet cards, you're going to see 3 small, simple icons. These little buttons, that's the Action Center. This is what gives a manager full control over each person's payroll setup. And the whole point is that management is just a few clicks away. That first icon, the little eye, lets you view the detailed transaction history for that wallet. The pencil icon lets you edit the employee's info. And the trash can, that lets you delete the wallet entirely, removing it from the payroll system. It's all about simple, intuitive control. All right, let's zoom back out for a minute and talk about the bigger picture. We've seen the how, but what about the why? Why are companies even starting to use systems like this in the first place?
Well, it really comes down to a few major advantages. For businesses, you're talking about near-instant global payments, completely bypassing those annoying bank delays. That's a total game changer for international teams, and it gives them one central place to manage a decentralized workforce. For employees, it means total transparency and the flexibility to get paid in the assets they actually want.
So all of this leads to a final, pretty interesting question. As this technology gets more and more streamlined and user-friendly, just like we've seen in this dashboard today, how long is it going to be before this becomes a common option for, well, all of us? So let me ask you, is your next paycheck on the blockchain? Thanks for tuning in.